Welcome to this beautiful Edwardian villa in Stafford. Built in 1920, number 47 Rowley Bank was purchased by Eventide Home Limited in 1950. The following year it was renamed Wilford House and opened as a home for the elderly. A new wing was added in 1959, which meant there were rooms for 18 residents. In 1964 to 65, a third and final extension was added, raising the number of residents to 31. The care home closed in 2020. The house was named after Sydney miner Wilford, a prominent member of Stafford Rotary Club and a prime mover in setting up Eventide homes for the aged. Originally from Market Harborough in Leicestershire, he joined W.H. Dorman & Co. in 1918, becoming a director in 1920, and then chairman and managing director in 1938. He died on the 8th of December 1946, aged 63. I haven't been able to find any more history on the building, as it would only appear on the 1921 census and then the 1939 register, and unfortunately number 47 Rowley Bank doesn't exist. We have a number 46 and a number 48. There is also another large house next door, Abbeyfield House. This was fully sealed. I believe it was built around the same time as Wilford House and was also used as a care home up until recently. The last Care Quality Commission inspection took place on the 4th of January 2017, and it gave the rating of requires improvement. Maybe this was partly the reason the care home closed. A report in the Express and Star from April 2022 said that a company called Avery had submitted plans to demolish both buildings and build a brand new care home catering for 71 residents. But as of November 2024, both buildings are still standing. The only other explore I have seen of these buildings was from the Ouija brothers, whose link I shall put in the description. They visited sometime in 2023, and the interiors looked very different, with a lot of the care home fixtures still in place. It was quite shocking to see how much the buildings have changed in 12 months. Anyway, enjoy this explore, as I am sure the Bulldozers will be moving in soon. Right, I'm in this old care home on the side of a busy road in Stafford. There is another building next door, but that's sealed up. Look at this place. Ceiling rose up there, look. So as you saw, the door is just wide open. Yeah, it looks like someone started to renovate it, doesn't it? These big Victorian villas. With their high ceilings. As you can see, there's a grand staircase there. So obviously we'll go and have a look upstairs. So there's rooms going off everywhere. Look at the tiles on the floor though. Wow. So just got to try and not miss anything. There's the back door there, look. Oh god, there's stairs going off everywhere. It's about 3 sets of stairs I've seen now. Look at those tiles underneath the floor. Oh no, Sorry, it's lino. There's doors out there to the back garden, presumably. I suppose this could have been the kitchen, maybe. Let's go through. I mean, like I said, there's just passageway after passageway. Dear. Ooh, it smells in here. This might have been a kitchen, actually. There's a big hole in the ceiling. I think that's just a utility room. Right, we've got to remember which way we've been and we haven't been. Let's go through here. It's like another little room, servant staircase there, look. Wow. Yeah, so we're back into this bit. So yeah, we've gone round in a circle now. So it's time to head upstairs. So there's more stairs going up. Ooh. Floors ain't very clever up here. Oh, look at these big rooms. Oh, I think that's the servants' staircase going back down to where we were, isn't it? And this is what we could see up to. Look at the big room. Imagine this as a house. Right, let's carry on. Room number 1. There's another room here. Just got to be really careful where I step. Oh, there's a random shopping trolley. Just got to be so careful where I step. And this room hasn't even got a window in, look. Look at that. Mental. The size of that window. Imagine a lovely stained glass window in that. It would be absolutely amazing. We just got some rooms over here. No, been in this room. Yeah, because there's a shopping trolley. Right. So, that lovely archway. So upstairs. Now these are different stairs, so I think up here is just the servants' quarters, wouldn't it? Because they're just basic stairs. Right, those stairs were fun. So yeah, I'd imagine this is the servants' quarters. Don't know how much we'll be able to walk around. Got another room here, missing its window. Someone's left their jacket hanging up. see out the front there. So yeah, it's definitely plainer up here, isn't it? For the servants. There's a room in there and a room in there. A fire door, I would imagine. It's shut. Let's go up here. They made every use of every spare bit of room that they could, didn't they? Like we're up in the what do you call it, the eaves of the roof, and they just, you know, stick a room in underneath. Is that a water tank up there? You can see up to the ceiling, up to the roof. It's a shame I couldn't get into the other building. It's a small little room, a bathroom probably. Look at that wallpaper. Ooh, that's screaming 1970s, isn't it? Right. Right, I've just come down the servant stairs. We're back in this big room here. I don't think we fully looked through here, I'm not sure. There's a door there. There's some stairs here. You know what I haven't seen, don't you? We haven't seen the basement yet. There's more rooms back here. Oh God, there's a whole bit down here we haven't seen. Wow. Right, so we've got a laundry room by the looks of it. That had a door outside. Does that open? No. Someone's kindly written Red Rum on it, which is nice. So it was last checked 2019. Wow, and there's me. I thought we'd looked all the way around. There's a lift. It's just little rooms going off, really. Yeah, lots of little rooms. Commodes must go back to rooms with a lid. Nice. Yeah, so it's lots of more bathrooms and toilets, really. Again, it's hard to tell what rooms would have been once they've been stripped out, but this looks like it was probably a day room. Ooh, lots of broken glass. With your big bay window. And then like your windows there. Suppose they'd close them off, they'd have a telly in here, I suppose, so the sound don't travel. Yeah, it's probably a conservatory day room. Yeah, we'll carry on down. It's all very sterile though, isn't it? Why do care homes have to be? Why do they have to be white? I suppose it's so they can see if it's dirty or not, but it's a toilet, probably, disabled toilet. Oh my God, look, there's more stairs going up. Oh my God, this place is just massive. Wow. Let's just see what's down the end of this corridor. Nothing much, I wouldn't imagine. No, it's just, oh God, don't tell me there's another bloody corridor. Oh my God, it goes on and on. Oh, there's the hoist for the bath. Wow. Right, so let's go up these stairs and see where these go to. A whole new side of the building, probably. More rooms. More rooms. Again, just gotta be careful where I step. Oh my god. I think I'll give that a miss. I don't think it goes anywhere. Let's go back down this way. Along the corridor. So it's just lots of little rooms, but we've got a big room here. There's the ladder up to the loft. Give that a miss, I think. So yeah, they're just lots of little rooms, but they are tiny rooms. Tiny rooms. Don't know how many people, but look how small the rooms are. So small. That's the other end of that room. I mean, there's lots of toilets and bathrooms. There's the lift. But they really are pokey little rooms. And I don't know why the care home closed. There's another set of stairs there, look. And there's more. This is just the place that keeps on giving, isn't it, really? It looks like the copper thieves have been in. Look at this bit. Oh, we're here. We're in this big room. So there's the main staircase there. So we'll go back down the servants' staircase. Right, so yes, we are back down in the main part of, we're back down in this room. Wow, that was strange. Right, so we have seen everything inside. Go and have a look around outside. That's the other building over there that I couldn't get into. Couldn't find a way in. I don't know if they were the same company of care home, but